What can you interpret in this image? Whatever comes to your mind, you can tell me. I'll tell you. This is related to an interesting sociological concept called as social closure. So, social closure is a sociological process where some powerful groups draw a categorical boundary around them so that their resources are limited to their own community or their own group and they are not open to other people. Understood? So, a certain group of people, certain section of people draw a boundary avoiding others to even enter that boundary, so that only people living in that group will get all the benefits and they will be excluding other people. This will affect what? This will affect another important concept which we have seen multiple times in our classes, social mobility. Yes or no? If groups are forming boundaries and they are not allowing other people inside them, how will the people move from one position to another position? We have seen two types of social mobility, horizontal mobility and vertical mobility. So, when a group of people is restricting other people, we are also restricting the social mobility. This concept is called as social closure. Now, why I have given you all this example is, see here, this is fine, rent 2 BHK, KT road address, but what we have to focus upon is the word here. You see many communities, right? You see many toilet boards which say no bachelors allowed, only families, only vegetarians, only Brahmins, only Vaishyas. Okay? Talking about the communities also, we see very clearly that they want only their community people to enter their houses. Some people have become open-minded, especially in gated communities and all, but still some people exist who consider that they don't give rooms for rent to unmarried girls or bachelors, okay, and they don't want other people to cook non-veg because they are pure vegetarians. We have these boundaries built. So, when these boundaries are built, what are they resulting in? They are considering others as outsiders. They are not even allowing outsiders or other people to mingle with them. So, what is being restricted there? Social mobility is being restricted there. Even social interactions are affected there. Yes or no? So, ultimately it is resulting in what? Societal stagnancy. We don't see everybody becoming open-minded. At the same time, we don't see everybody becoming rigid-minded. But both the people exist in our society. Even in some apartments, gated communities, very clearly they are putting such things so that they avoid other community people to enter their boundaries. So, they want their opportunities only for them. You can take this example for anything. Even if you take a software company, some people may think that I want the people only from elite community to take up this job. There are such things happening, elite community, so they see the surnames. Even from surnames they get to know about the community the people belong to. Yes or no? So they may not take the recruitment of lower community people because they want their resources, they want their opportunities to be used up by their own community people. They don't want others to enter them. That is called as social or societal closure. Is this clear to everybody? Now we have another term, I will explain it here only. We have seen social closure, there is another term called social exclusion. Are both the terms same from the concept but not from the people involved? So when I am saying social closure, this is from the point of owners in the above example. Social exclusion is happening to whom? Tenants. The concept is same, and in the company example we have taken, who are included in social closure concept? The managers who are recruiting people, whereas social exclusion applies, this concept applies to those people who are not being allowed to even attend the interview for recruitment. The concept is same, but it is like one people belong to the social closure segment and the other people who are left out belong to the social exclusion concept. So when you write about both of them, you take stand. When the question is about social exclusion, you talk about the left out people. When the question is about social closure, you talk from the point of whom? From the people who have drawn a categorical boundary avoiding others. Is this clear to everybody? So I have told you all the difference also. In the beginning of this class, I told you there are many sociological terms which are easier to see, but they are actually different. This is one such difference. Closure and exclusion are two different terms seen from different ends, but the concept is same.